Well, hey there. It's been a while. Um, yeah, so we haven't uploaded in a couple weeks. We had our summer compilation video that we put up, and we have literally not filmed anything since. And the reason is we have been sick. The bug hit our house pretty hard, hit the farm pretty hard, and we have been laid up for a good while. It was nasty. It was nasty. Hey, Zena. Hey. So we got stuff done around the house. We just didn't film any of it because filming takes a lot of energy and it takes a lot of patience and time. And when you're not feeling good, that's just something you just don't want to deal with. So we didn't film a lot of this stuff, but we did do some stuff. So let's show you what we did. The first thing we did is we ripped out a bunch of these beds in the garden, cleaned them all out. Well, not all of them, still got some stuff to do. But we pulled a lot of this stuff out, and we prepared some beds with pine needles. And as fall gets into the swing of things and leaves start falling, we're going to collect the leaves and put those in the beds as well. Also, Mom and Dad planted garlic in this bad boy here. Planted a bunch of bulbs, so we got that going for us. So yeah, the garden is done. We still got like some green tomatoes here and some peppers, I think, over there, but I think for the most part we're done. We're done. It was a very busy season for us. Not only in the garden, we expanded it and made this whole area, which worked out quite well. But we just got tired. But it's the end of the season. You get tired. So a big cleanup is in order for the garden. When that's going to happen, soon. Just not today. This cough is still lingering. Like, oh my gosh, I just can't get rid of it. Dad built another bed to put in this back area, and I don't know what we're going to plant in that next year. Maybe corn, but we'll see. We shall see. All right, the hoop house has been covered with this green material. Gives a little more weight to the hoop house, protects it during the colder months. And we replaced all the melons in here, ripped them all out, harvested everything, and we are storing hay in here for our boys who are just right over there, so it's real convenient to get them some hay instead of dragging it all the way from the big barn all the way over here. So if you didn't know, our big barn is on the front end of our property and the boys are in the back of our property. So speaking of the boys, this is something that Dad and I did and we didn't film, is we made them this. They had one originally and it kind of fell apart, so we reused a lot of parts from it and remade that. It's nice and sturdy, nice and big, and it has the roofing shingles on it, so when they climb on it, they kind of work their hooves a little bit. Looking good. They don't use it, at least they don't use it often, and I've never actually seen them climb this thing here, so this could have been just an enormous waste of time. We'll see. Something else we did too, we cut this branch that was hanging over our greenhouse. And this was fun because Dad and I did this when Dad was sicker than a dog. And this 73-year-old man, almost 74 years old, climbed up into this tree and had to tie a rope around a branch in order to hold it up so we could cut it without it falling on the greenhouse. But anyway, this dude, sick as a dog, 73 years old, was like straddling this tree like he was a professional logger. Call him Logger McGee, if you will. And then as we were pulling it down, I had the chainsaw, and as we finally cut it down and it swung out, Dad tripped over this stack of pavers and rolled around, and we all had a great laugh. So that was fun. But we got that done. Another thing we did is we started prepping the girls' goat barn for winter. So we laid down some straw, and we no longer will have to sweep the entire thing. So as the fall and winter progresses, it's just going to build up higher and higher and keep them warmer and warmer. But yeah, something else we did that we didn't film. Another thing we got done in the last couple of weeks was these stairs. Now, we just replaced the carpet that used to be on these stairs. And it had been on there since like I was a kid. So we ripped that out and we replaced the treads with these really nice oak stair treads. They look really nice, and it really didn't take that much time at all. Dad and I were really dreading this project, but in retrospect, it really didn't take that much time at all, and it looks really good. Oh, so that's it. That's it. Literally, we have been sick, so we haven't been filming things, but we have been getting stuff done. But as fall is already here and winter is coming, activity on the farm tends to slow down. So if you guys would like to see any sort of videos, if you guys have any requests, you guys have any like recipes maybe that you would like to see, or have questions about the farm or about the goats or anything like that, just let us know. Just put it down in the comments. Well, we are on the mend, so so we'll start trickling videos out here pretty soon. But woo, man, I hope you don't get what we got, because that sucked. Oh my gosh, that was rough, and you could probably still hear it in my voice. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys very, 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 very soon. Thank you.